Hi everyone, my name is Ugo. I'm the owner of Elite Flyers. Now, today we'll be looking at how to create designs, how to create flyers, the basics. As you can see, these are all the designs I have made. This one, the other one, and so many more. This is our logo. These are all the designs I have made. Now, we'll be looking at how to blend our shapes today, the importance of blending shapes, and how it is done. These are some of the measurements which Canva gives us. There are different measurements, and it's all about measurements because graphic designers need to know the size of their designs. Now, let's move on. These are your story, your document, your picture portrait, different types of sizes for your design, or YouTube logo. Now, let's move into the main frame. This is the blank paper in which it will give us. This is everything it will give us. This is the elements in which your shapes can be found. Now, as you can see, there's a circle. There are dots around it in which you can move them around. There's a star, as you can see. There's a square but larger because it's premium. There's another square there, yes, which is premium. Now, you need to know how to blend your shapes. They'll be looking at blending shapes. Let me show you a design I had made before. But before we do that, let's continue. I'll do that meanwhile in the video. Now, as you can see, Canva gives a lot of designs. Let's say pizza, for instance. It gives a lot of designs, but these designs aren't yours. To be a graphic designer, you have to know how to create your design from scratch. You have to be imaginative. You understand? Yeah. So as you can see, these are all the shapes. And to get your Canva, it's really not that hard, by the way. It's just to search for it on your browser and you see it. I'll do that later in the video. This is our logo for the YouTube channel, and these are the ones I made. Let's click on that one. JKD Activewear 1 Hub. Wear Hub 1. This is a flyer I made for a business. You can also do this. These are the elements found in this flyer. This is everything you can do once you learn and dedicate time to graphic design. Now, let's learn how to blend your shapes. For instance, this square can be put in a way in which your design doesn't even need any text. All these shapes, as you can see, have different functions. They can be put in different ways. You can manipulate them, edit them. You can add a mark, wrong, any kind of elements you need. As you can see, I'm adding a lot of shapes in which it will add to my design. Now, today we'll be looking at shapes, how to blend them, how to manipulate them, how to place them. You understand? Yeah. So, as you can see, I'm getting my shapes. I've got my shapes. Now, to edit them or to move them, you just right click on them. I'll be left click on them and get it. Now, this is how to get your Canva. You type Canva on your web browser, search it, click on the link or you download it. Then it pops up. You have to actually sign up for it before you do it. And premium membership for Canva is actually 2,800 naira. Now, as you can see, these are all the designs I have made for companies, events, and the rest. Now, let's get back to the main editing. This is what you'll be able to do once you have fully learned it. Editing, graphic design isn't a big deal actually. It all deals with shapes and the rest. Now let's undo all of this. Let's try and make a flyer. Let's try and make something that will look like a flyer. You understand? Yeah. As I'm putting this shape, as you can see, it gives it a little more detail. You can add it into your designs. Now let's talk about these toolbars on the top. This is to edit your shape into any kind of shape you want. With the same color, same text, same everything. This is to change the color. As you can see, we have lots and lots of colors: blue, red, pink, light purple, pink. As you can see, yeah. There are even gradient colors, if you know what that means, like light and dark colors, stroke style, This is it. You can add your stroke weight if you increase, decrease, like that. So like, yeah, this is the where you can add your stroke color, in which if you want the border around it to be blue, white, yellow, it's possible. That is all you have to do. As you can see, these dots around it enable you to increase, decrease, minimize, and maximize. These are the 7 most important dots when you're editing your shapes and when you're designing, because these dots enable you to like manipulate shapes to your wanting. Now, as you can see, these ones at the down parts make it bigger. This is to your corner rounding to like edit it. Your fonts, your font size, your color, your bold, your italic effect on the line, and the rest, as you can see on the screen. So these are all the toolbars you will need to know when designing. You understand? So let's get to the main thing. Let's say we want to write twist or so. Sorry for the misspelling. If you highlight it and want to make a list, this is how you do it. You click on that list panel on your toolbar. If, for instance, you're having issues getting the names of all these toolbars, put your cursor on it for a long time and to show its name. Now, as you can see, I'm getting my elements. This is the rung, and this is everything in the elements bar: shapes, graphics, and the rest for your design, which makes it more lively. Yeah, this is everything you can get in your toolbar and your element. Sorry, this is your text. This is your text, in which you can add a heading, add a subheading, add a little body of text. You understand? Where you can add your text to make your flyers more detailed and to give your flyers more information. In the next video, we'll be talking about the apps, but for now, talking about these toolbars. Not all of them though. That will be in the next video. This is your brand for like when you want to create a specific number of fonts and designs for your brand, in which no other brand will use. This is your upload, in which you can upload any picture from your files. As you can see, this is the PDP logo. You can upload it. You can remove background, BG remover. You can edit. You can reduce transparency, animate, position, anything you want. As you can see, that's how I taught you to move. Then in the next video, we'll be doing the rest of the apps, the rest of the elements, the toolbars, and the left side. Today we did from designs to uploads. The next video we'll be doing the apps. Easy Reflection down there is actually an app used to create reflections. We'll be talking about that later on. But thank you so much, and I assure you, once we are done learning, you'll be able to make something like this. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks so much. Really appreciate. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and tell your friends about us. To get your designs, your graphical designs, for those who don't want to learn it, or those who want it quickly, contact Early Flyers. We can do it once we can do it once we have learned. Thank you so much. Bye. Turn on the notification bell, please. Thank you so much. You can do it.